CMS platform offers you various customization options to help you transact faster. Let us now look at the various types of customization options available in the CMS platform. Dashboard. The dashboard is designed to give you summary information about the key metrics. You can create your customized dashboard on the home screen. There are total 5 of weights that can be added or removed as per your requirements. The 5 available widgets are: Payment Type Summary. Provides a summary of transactions for the selected period. Debit failed. Provides you instant access to your last failed transactions. Payment pending approval. Provides the list of the last 5 transactions pending for approval. Payment trend. Provides month-wise throughput and the number of transactions. Message from bank. Will provide the last 5 broadcast messages received from the bank. To add a widget to the dashboard, click on the Add Widget option on the home screen. Click on the Add to Dashboard button next to the widget you want to add. To remove a widget from the dashboard, click on the Settings button on the widget and click Remove Widget. You can reorder the widget at your convenience. You can also rename the widget for ease of use. Quick Links. Quick Links option is provided on the home screen for one-click access to your frequently used items. You can customize the quick links by clicking on the Quick Links setting option. You can add any quick payment link or report link to your quick links. Settings. Through the Settings tab on the Payment Center screen, you can do the following modifications: hide column or freeze column, change the order of the column, rows per page. You can save these settings and click on Apply. This will give you more information as the default view. Alerts. Alerts are provided in the CMS platform to give you updates about the transactions and help you take timely action. The Kotak Bank CMS system sends these alerts through multiple channels like email, SMS, and on-screen notification. To view these alerts, click on the alerts in the top right corner of your home screen. You can click on Delete or read or unread as per your preference. You can also manage the alerts by clicking on the Manage Alerts tab. Here you can enable or disable an alert by selecting the alert and clicking on Enable or Disable. Reports. To generate and download reports, click on Reports on the home screen and go to the Report Center. You can generate the report by giving the email ID, output file type, and the parameters as per your requirements. You can generate the file and download it later. The standard reports that can be generated on the portal are shown on the Report Center screen. You can also request for the customized reports by mailing the Kotak Bank support system. Please refer to the FAQs and the guide for any additional information.